Hi everybody, it's Judy. Welcome back to Rose Lane. Today I have a slightly different video, and if you hear a funny noise, it's because I told you I'm in my basement, and I am not far from our sump pump, so I just want to, I got a package. I just got to get rid of my address here, which I should have done before. Okay. In any case, what I have done was I was watching somebody else's video. Her name is Roz Kennedy. And on Roz's YouTube, she talked about doing this program with a company called Beebee Crafts. And she puts in their information, which I will also put that in. And what it is with Beebee Crafts, and this is my first time, so I'm still learning with this, is if you have a YouTube channel, and I believe I've got this right, a YouTube channel, and you have 100 followers or more, 100 subscribers or more, you can go to their website, which I will put in the description box below, and you click on the link, and you can ask to be part of their team, where every now and then, and I'm still not sure how often you're allowed to do this, but you can do it several times at least, and I don't know for how long. Like I said, I'm still learning. But you go on their website and you pick a few things that you would want to use in some of your, in a crafting project, and you just follow their instructions on how you would receive it. And then you just do some videos, preferably 2 to 3, one with the unboxing, which is this. And I don't know how close I am in this because, yeah, you know what? I'll pull up just a little bit. I'm trying to do this. I'm sorry with the bumps and all that. Okay, there we go. That's a little better, I think. Okay. So I've got all my stuff from the journal I'm working on right now. I just kind of pushed it to the side. So you do one where you unbox the stuff that they sent you. So I have yet to see what it is that I've ordered, to actually see it. And then you do at least 1 or 2 more videos showing how you used their supplies in a journal or some kind of a craft project, whatever it is that you're doing. So, and of course you have to leave all the information about them and where the stuff came from so that they know where to get it. So anyway, without further ado with that, I am going to open this. It kind of was a little open when I got it. I think this is my my packing list, which is a little crumpled. They really stuffed it in. All right, so I have this. And I have this, and I have this. Okay, so what I have, I'm just going to put that over there. What I have here, yeah, I'm going to unwrap the plastic from it so that you can see. There is a journal, the one that I talked to you about in one of my videos. I had said that it's coming up. I'm preparing for it. I opened it up, and there's still more plastic. I'm preparing for it, and plastic's sticking to me from all the static. And it was the one that I talked about there being contrasts. So this stuff is for that. Let me see if I can find an end somewhere. There's got to be an end tucked in here someplace. I'm making myself dizzy spinning this around. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you can see this is like a suede, hold it up a little closer. I know sometimes it doesn't come in focus, but it's going the wrong way. A suede with these kind of studs, these metal studs on it. Okay. All right, so that's that. So I have this little bit, and it's not very thick, as you can see. It's pretty thin, so not very bulky, which will be good. So I'll just put that one over there. And all of these pieces that I have here will be used in that journal to some extent or another. And then I have this lace, which I received another bag inside a bag. Let's see. Open this up. And And this is the lace. You can see it against my hand. It's awfully pretty. It's a lovely champagne-y cream color. So that's that. And so now you're getting an idea when I'm talking about contrast, right? Suede with studs and this pretty dainty lace. It's going to be interesting. So that goes over here. I'll actually leave it in frame. And then this, let me see if I can get the plastic off of this. I hope I can. Yes. All right. I had mentioned that at Christmas time, my husband had given me a Big Shot for my Christmas gift. So, and I didn't have a lot of die cuts. I've been collecting some because I knew I wanted to get die cuts, you know, to get a machine. I just didn't know when. So I have these. These are these nesting dies. So I have these rectangles here. I have a set of circles here. It's got the little, not like stitchy looking things on them. I have these pretty little circles, which sort of go one inside the other, with the little hearts on them. You can see it better on that side. Then I have these hearts. So it's 1, 2, and 3 hearts in here. And then I have these flower-shaped ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this little center one, 7. And then I have a set of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 as well. So this is what I've gotten. And I don't know if all of these will be used in the journal that I'm going to be using this lace and this studded suede in, but most of them will be. Chances are I'm going to try a little bit of everything and see what I come up with. So anyway, that is what I received. So this is Beebee Crafts, and I will, like I said, I will post all their information in the description box below, and you'll see soon, I hope, the 2 videos at least. I'm sure there's going to be more, but at least 2 of them will definitely be using this stuff specifically, where I will give credit back to Beebee Craft for the supplies that they've given me. So that being said, that's all for this video. It was very short and sweet, and I'm looking forward really to using this and getting started on the on this other journal as well. I've got so many projects lined up, but this is going to be one of my main one that's coming up soon after I finish these projects that I have going on right now. So anyway, that's it for this video, and hopefully you'll be seeing another video up this afternoon besides this one, which will be the flip through for my design team project. So okay, that's it for now, everybody. Be safe, be blessed, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.